Hello everyone. I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu, and today I am here to explain you about the topic entrepreneur of the subject entrepreneurship development. Becoming an entrepreneur is the dream of many young people today, and for that they are looking for new information and help. So the purpose of this lecture is to provide as much information as possible about the entrepreneur. Can say that entrepreneur is one who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of business or enterprise. An entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business or procedures. According to Max Weber, entrepreneurs are a product of particular social condition in which they are brought up, and it is the society which shapes individual and entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur is a person who has possession of a new enterprise, venture, idea and assumes significant accountability for the inherent risk and the outcome. He or she is an ambitious leader who combines land, labor, and capital to often create and market new goods or services. Entrepreneur in English is a term applied to the type of personality who is willing to take upon herself a new venture or enterprise and accepts full responsibility for the outcome. Here are the some characteristics of entrepreneurs, or I have right here some qualities which an entrepreneur possesses. The first characteristics is need to achieve. Entrepreneurs have got strong desire to achieve higher goals. Their inner self motives their behaviors towards high achievement. Second one is risk bearing. Entrepreneurs are the persons who take decisions under uncertainty and thus they are willing to take risk but they never gamble with the results. Next characteristics is perseverance. It means that continued effort to do or achieve something despite difficulties or failures. Actually, these persons has the quality of sticking to job he decide to undertake. They work sincerely until the whole project is successfully implemented. Next quality that an entrepreneur possesses is positive self-concept. Entrepreneurs are always positive in their action. Being an achiever, he or she directs his fantasies and dreams towards achievement of worthwhile goals and sets extraordinary standard of excellence in what he is doing. And this is based upon his awareness of SWOT analysis as they do strength, weakness and opportunities and threats analysis. The next characteristics is ability to find and explore opportunities. These persons are always alert to opportunities, and we can say that they are very much quick to see and grab opportunities. They exhibit an innovative turn of mind and convert the problems into viable opportunities. They plan intellectually and anticipate carefully how to achieve their goals in realizing an opportunity. So, an entrepreneur is an economic change agent with knowledge, skills, initiative, drive, and spirit of innovation to achieve goals. He identifies and seizes opportunity for economic benefits. We can say that he is a risk bearer, an organizer, and an innovator. So, characteristics of entrepreneur are not ended here. There are n number of characteristics for gaining knowledge. And so, for gaining knowledge of more characteristics, kindly refer to my next video lecture named as Characteristics of an Entrepreneur. Thank you.